Hi, my name is Mike Zuckerman, the Queplix Chief Marketing Officer, and I'm here to share our view on automating data quality, a template for data integration. Queplix is a data integration and data management company, and front and center to any data integration effort is the need for data quality tools and processes to support them. Without good data quality, you can't provide federation to BI, you can't do data integration, you can't support master data management, and you can't build your data warehouse. All of these things require good data quality. We'll share our view today. I think we all know the definitions of data quality. Sometimes we know it when we see it, but I can tell you that for data integration it varies. The quality that you would build into a standalone source might be as good as it could possibly be, but when you integrate two sources, each of high data quality, you'll have the ability to introduce new data quality problems without normalizing the data. So data quality is relative to the application you have and what you're doing with it. And data integration and master data management demands a much higher level of quality in order to perform and meet the business expectations that you have. Sybase and the University of Texas did some interesting studies that showed the strong payback associated with data quality. Most companies, mid-tier and large, understand this implicitly. It hits a variety of areas, and it's a function of being able to have consistent data about your customer, your HR, your marketplaces, your products, and your vendors. There are three areas where data quality is important. First, in each standalone application, data quality can affect the productivity of the users in that application. When you bring an application into our system and virtualize it, our data quality set will enable you to turn on the tests and understand exactly where that application is on a standalone basis. Two, we build tools in that help you compare multiple sources prior to integration and understand the impact of the integration upon data quality, let you build out normalization functions to adjust what would otherwise be two high quality sources, but when integrated, introduce a data quality problem. Example, in one system, good data quality is New York, NEW space YORK, and in the other system, it's N.Y. But one system will not take the data from the other without normalization or changes. This is very important. We also produce a pre-harmonization report to identify these and many other areas. Finally, after you've integrated and set things up, you're in production, data quality problems will creep in and they will need to be reported, identified, and remediated by the data stewards. Step one of the process, measure your current state, understand it. So the first thing you have to do is to be able to look at your data sources. Here in our system you can see the metadata or the structure of every application you're integrating. You can see everything you need to know about it. Then you can take a look at the underlying data. This is also very important to understand the semantics so that the data steward and the engineers and programmers or business personnel involved in integration can make decisions about how to do it and how to do it most effectively. Then you've got to perform functions to see the quality of the data on a standalone basis. Blanks and null values are absolutely the most typical error you'll find, followed by duplicate records or records that look unique but in fact are duplicates with misspelled errors. All of those things will be flushed out by our system. Syntax, format, range check. Is your date of birth 3 years in the future? That's an error. And there are more complex functions that data quality experts and data stewards can bring to bear over the set of data that will tell you more about your data sets and the relative capability you have to use them for your business processes. Finally, there's an interesting test which lets you look at, in a relational paradigm, any column or any object in the object world and say, is every value in that column unique? And that helps you define keys between systems, because it's often the case when you do data integration that you do not have a common key between your different systems. You have to build one or find existing columns you can use to satisfy that need, so we help you do that too. After you've identified and measured your current state, you have to prioritize your tasks, you have to begin the remediation, you have to report. The next step is you can start to enrich, you can add other sources. Web 2.0 says get an external source of truth to augment your internal sources of truth. And here you can see for your PeopleSoft data, being able to reach out to a source like Axiom or D&B to clean up data, even wrong data, because the Axiom or D&B database will give you a source of truth of higher quality. And this can apply to all your systems. This is something that's easy for us to do for you. There are also Web 2.0 sources that will help you enrich your data, add more things that you didn't know about it from sources like Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. And this enhances relative data quality and provides more utility to your users. Ultimately, data quality is one component of our dashboard and our vision. Our vision is to provide a single, enterprise platform to implement, view, and manage all of your integration and data management activities, to see the state, current, and past across multiple data sources, and core and central to that is to understand the state of your data quality. Thank you for spending time with me. Please give us a call and share a bit about your applications. We'd be glad to talk to you. Have a great day.